Hindu studies is a newly introduced subject, but this is really important as many new departments for Hindu studies are coming, and the recent 2023 paper being solved by one of our net faculties for Hindu studies has actually brought into account how and what needs to be taken into account. So the complete solutions are obviously available on Doorstep Tutor in the UGC section in Hindu studies. We are just taking few of those to help understand what kind of things we need to take into account while we are studying Hindu studies. Now, under Hindu studies, Indian philosophy is one of the important sections. Abstracts and sections from Ramayana and Mahabharata are again important. The first question is a definite perception of rope as a serpent indicates ignorance. Now, identifying Brahma as a source of cosmic illusion, Sankar actually advocated the concept of Advaitwad, which is non-dualistic view. And there is where we understand that the perception of rope as a serpent indicates ignorance. So a very basic and a fundamental question. The next is under the Nyaya philosophy, we have understood the concept of Pratyay Pramanvad. Now, this is a very important concept even for paper 1. So, if you remember in the paper 1, also you have a section of logic, and a lot of questions in logic are being asked from the 6 schools of philosophy, and the Nyaya school, which supports the Pratha Pramanvad, is really important because it talks about the knowledge which is only considered authentic when it is being confirmed by external source, and therefore it is known as Pratyay Pramanvad, that is being confirmed by some additional sources, and this has been mentioned under the Nyaya philosophy system. The next is which state did Gautam Buddha finally attain? So the last stage of attainment is what is known as Nirvana. Be it in the case of Gautam Buddha or be it in the case of Mahavir Swami, that is the ultimate emancipation, enlightenment, and we could say a kind of spiritual awakening that a person attains, and this is what is known as Nirvana, right? So Nirvana is the correct option here. Let's move on to the next question. The first chapter of Brihadino Upanishad, a pulse seed, has been compared with husband and wife. Now, this is really important. So, it was initially Aham, I, but that I, Aham, was not content with itself. Okay, so he grew into a large. Now, as he grew into a large husband, a woman came in, so the body actually split into two. Now, when the body is split into two, it gave rise to husband and wife, and that's what is indicated in the Brihadina Upanishad, and it says that wife occupies half of it, and from that husband and wife, the next series or the mankind was generated. This has been mentioned in the verse 1.411, 1.412 and 1.413 in section 4 of the chapter 1, right? So really important. So all these Upanishad, the sections of the Upanishad are really important. The next is Asat Karyavad has been propounded under which philosophy? So under the Nyaya philosophy, this concept has been written, and any theory of cause must answer the fundamental issue, where or does the effect pre-exist in the material cause, and that answer, if you are able to attain, that is what is known as Asat Karyavad, and this was again given under the Nyaya philosophy. So Nyaya philosophy respond to the issue, does the effect pre-exist in the material cause or not? So again, from the section on philosophical construct, we had taken these questions. So these were just some of the questions. The complete practice questions for Hindu philosophy, the solutions to the past year papers are available in the link below. You can follow more for follow the description for more information.